Excuse me, Oslo. Ooh, look at all that. Gotta be careful where Slick Rick there will try to slap out the gate. I thought we weren't gonna do them over here anymore. I thought we were gonna do them over there. Remember?
I mean, does it matter if it's in the dirt? Does it really matter? I'm gonna do it over here.
Okay.
So I don't feel like moving.
Look at that Rasta. Just think about that one.
What do you mean? Like how it turned out?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it turned out good.
I do too. Nice Rastafari. Bible. What green was that?
It was the Kelly green.
Really?
Yeah. What the hell? What is that?
What is it?
I don't know.
What's it look like?
Look, it's like black. What the hell?
I don't know.
Weird.
Yeah.
Come on.
Nothing at all. Almost running clear. Almost there.
I think that's good enough to take it to the sink.
I do too.
Thank you.
Want to put the mask on there too? Oh,
I'm
good
just gonna
stuff.
hold them.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, we can definitely watch this one with the other one, don't you think?
I just get scared to wash them together.
Okay.
There. No. Put that in here. There.
Right so. There we go. Hey, set it over there. Ooh, man. Nice. Look at that. Oh, yeah.
We'll have to keep it because of the spots.
Look at that. Yeah, it's got a couple spots on it because we didn't know about our rack. So that's why we do tests. So we learn, now we know. But either way, that's an awesome shirt, man. There'll be one just like it for sale on Etsy. This one in particular, I don't think we're gonna sell, but hey, if you want it, let us know. We'll sell it to you as well.
We could sell it for a discount.
Yeah, we might do it $15. So look online, see what's on there. It might make its way to Etsy, it might not.
Vivid Prism tie-dye on Etsy.
Yep, link in the description.
Anything in there?
No, but I think we're gonna be clear, so. You do want me to go ahead and start these, right?
Yeah.
Hot, small. And there's our final result. Check that out. Pastel Rasta tie-dye. Spiral. Came out pretty good. The only thing is these marks that came off of our brand new rack. This is the first time we used it. So now we know we do need to cover it. I was going to powder coat it anyways, so now I guess we'll get a jump on that. This one will not be for sale because of those blemishes. But if you're still interested, we'll make you one just like it that's blemish free. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful evening.